I'm Chad from Conair, and today we want to talk about the common control. I'm right now beside the SB5 control on our True Blend blender, and this is one of the controls that utilizes the common control architecture. Now, some people ask, what do we mean by common control? When we talk about common control, we're talking about a couple things. Common hardware, so the hardware that's used inside the control system of this SB5 control is the same as the hardware that's used inside our newest dryers, our newest conveying systems, our newest thermalators. And that control architecture is the same throughout all those controls. So you get the same hardware, you also get the same user experience. If you are comfortable learning how to operate one of these machines, you'll be comfortable moving to any of them and knowing the basic operation of that particular piece of equipment. So for example, when I'm looking at this screen, navigation is always going to be the same on any of the components. So right here on the menu, I can push the menu and see things like my alarm list, my report, the system information, configuration, maintenance reminders. There's always going to be an operator level right beside that. There's always going to be a contextual help menu. Now this is really helpful for people who aren't exactly sure how to operate a piece of equipment. You hit that contextual help button, and anywhere you press on the screen is going to give you an example of what pressing any of those buttons do or changing those settings do. So before you make a change, you get a preview of what you'll be changing and how that'll affect the operation of the machine. So contextual help mode is huge in these new common controls to help newer operators or someone who hasn't walked up to the machine in a while to understand what changes can be made on the control system. So now I'm sitting at the DX dryer, and you can see this DCB control on the dryer has the same exact look and feel. You've got that menu button over here on the right with the same list of information: report, alarm list, configuration, maintenance, help. You've got your home button. You've got user login information, and those logins are unique for user levels or individual users. And that contextual help mode, again, helping you see what happens if you change these particular set points and what each button on the screen that you're on does. That contextual help mode is available on every screen of each machine. I know it's going to sound like a broken record here, but here I am at the Smart FLX conveying system control. Exact same setup. You're going to hit the menu button over there, same list of items. You've got your user level, contextual help mode, again on every screen of every machine. So this is our TCU, Conair thermalator. This one has the TWT touchscreen control, and you guessed it, this is also part of the common control platform. Same exact user experience on this screen as you get on the larger dryer screen, the Smart FLX, and the True Blend blender. So as you can see, anytime you walk up to a Conair piece of equipment, you're going to have that same user experience. That's the common control. Common hardware, common user experience, easy to use, easy to train all your staff so that they're comfortable moving from machine to machine.